Hey boos! Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Let's keep the family growing. So today we're going to be doing. You're very hyper this morning, sir. Yeah? Today we're going to be doing a morning routine. So as you can see, my morning starts by being waken up by my lovely booger. Hey booger. He's like, that's not my name. You walked away. You walked away. Maybe I can get some more sleep. Shh. Oh.
Look.
Oh, what's that?
It's a 1.
Oh, it's a 1.
It's a 2.
It's a 2.
It's a 3.
It's 3.
1, 2, 4 equals 10.
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10?
Yeah.
That's a high. Is that a high number? It's not a high number. 10 is a cool number though.
No.
So when you have a child who incredibly loves math, and
Equals.
even if you hate math, the first part of your day is be waking up with numbers. Yay. Anyway, so I usually sleep with no pants on, so let me go put on some pants for the sake of this video, and I'll see you guys soon.
Equals. I go.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Okay, let's go start the day. So the first thing I do when I wake up after interacting with my son is not make my bed. I rarely ever make my bed, but I usually put on my robe and I go and open all the blinds, all the curtains, so that we can let in all the lights. My house has amazing windows and amazing natural light, so I like to open up everything so that I can see. We had a rough night before I filmed this video, so all our dishes were piled up from dinner. Usually I wash my dishes in the evening and I have them drain overnight in the dishwasher, and then I put them away in the morning as part of my morning routine. But this morning, that's going to be a little bit different. So before I can tackle this day, we are going to need some coffee. So after we brush our teeth, we usually head upstairs to grab my son a change of diapers. He's currently wearing cloth diapers and sometimes disposables depending on the mood. I like to make sure to open the windows in his room as well because he likes to run up there and play sometimes independently. So I want to make sure there's a lot of natural light for him. Waffles? Okay. We'll put that part last, okay? Okay, let's put the flour first. Are you ready? Well, not flour, but the mix. Oh, we're gonna do one cup. Good job. Yay, good job. Just one. We're talking to Auntie Rachel as we film. Say hello. You want to put more? Good job. Okay, that's enough. Oh, you have to mix it. Almost 2 hours later, I realized I forgot my coffee. So now, as is typical some mornings, it goes into the microwave.
Longing for legends, longing
Wiggle, wiggle, ring. Last to come, X, Y, Z, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chica, chica, boom, boom.
The full moon.
Look, there's a full moon. What happens next?
You and me will dance for the world to see. You and me, when our hearts are filled, there's nothing we can't be. Aren't you feeling little raw marginal lesion in your soul? Stay rooted in your claws. Are you afraid of ghosts? Longing for change, afraid for legend.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
One,
2 shoes.
two.
Yep, 2 shoes for 2 feet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Pick up your foot. Let's keep our hands and our feet in the ride at all time. Or turbulence! Turbulence! Put your feet in, baby. Good job! Turbulence! Turbulence! Shoes off. Okay, come on. As some of you guys know, I am actually in school, so this is the time where I'll try to catch up on some homework. I'm currently writing a long paper, which is supposed to be single spaced, and I just don't understand why double space is not a standard. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm just trying to catch up on some homework while he plays with his toys and is distracted for the moment. Usually, it's with a lot of interruptions. Bless you. Yeah. So usually throughout the day, I talk to 1 or 2 of my best friends, and we like to catch up with each other's lives, watch each other do chores or random things, and it's pretty relaxing, especially when you're quarantined. And so here I'm just saying bye so I can focus on homework for now, and we'll talk later. The issue with that plan is that I still get distracted by other stuff. So, you want a snack? This time, my son asked for a snack, and I just realized I forgot to eat breakfast. I'm going to have a yogurt, and my son is going to have dairy-free option. So we're going to go ahead and make some yogurt parfaits. And my son has a dairy allergy, so we use a dairy-free alternative for him. And I just sprinkled on some cranberry craisins and some granola, and that's it. It's a beautiful day today, so we're going to go ahead and eat outside while I call my other best friend and check in with her.
Giant small thing, a tremble in the clouds, trying to chase the wind like a fleeting shroud. We're longing for change, we're fighting for legends. We're longing for change, we're fighting for legends. You and me, oh dance for the world to see.
Today is the 20th. Today is the 20th of May. May 20th.
31.
We're gonna put it in.
31. I want to eat 31.
Yeah, but today's not 21. Today's the 20th. Today's 20. Tomorrow will be 20.
No. No.
That's not right?
Welcome to 10. Welcome to 10.
Welcome to day 10? No, welcome to day 20.
Welcome to the 30.
20. Yeah, day 20.
Welcome to the 30.
Yeah, today makes 20. It's the 20th day in May.
Do you want a picture?
I do want a picture.
Okay. I can't do it.
You count to 10 first.
Yeah.
Say, oh please! Thank you so much for watching, and as always, may your single mother game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, latte. Bye, boos. Oh my gosh, is that supposed to go in my head? Put it in your head. Oh. It's on your head.
Oh.